Welcome to Health and Fitness with a new video. In today's video we will show you 6 effective home remedies for white hair. So watch the video till the end to get proper information. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's begin. Do you have white hair? Do you want to learn how to dye it naturally at home? With everything we are going through right now, it is hard to maintain your hair dyed, isn't it? But, did you know that there is a natural alternative to dyeing your hair? If you do not have a regular hair care program, adopt one right away. It's time you started paying more attention to your beauty rather than reserving it for special occasions. You will only see results when you take care of your hair and skin regularly and diligently. Here are some of my tried and tested recipes from my beauty repertoire to bring back life to your hair. 1. Amla powder. Other names Philanthus emblica, also known as emblic. Heat 1 cup amla powder in an iron vessel until it turns into ash. Add 500 milliliters coconut oil and simmer on a slow flame for 20 minutes. Let it cool and stand for 24 hours, and then strain the next day into an airtight bottle. Use this twice a week as a hair oil massage. 2. Curry leaves. Take a bunch of curry leaves and grind them with 2 teaspoons amla powder and 2 teaspoons brahmi powder. Apply this as a hair mask on the hair, making sure to cover the roots. Leave on for an hour and rinse with a mild herbal shampoo. 3. Indigo and henna. Indigo, or Neil, as it is more commonly known, is a natural colorant used since ancient time to color hair. It creates a bluish-black color, and can be mixed with henna to cover gray areas, making the hair acquire a darker color. 4. Coconut oil. Coconut oil and lemon juice mixed together can help darken the hair. The combination of these two causes a chemical reaction, which darkens the hair naturally over a period of time. So make the most of it and get going. 5. Black tea. Black tea is another effective ingredient, which can help prevent gray hair. I have used it as an after shampoo rinse. Created a shampoo out of it and used it as a mask as well. Take tea brew, approximately 200 milliliters, and use it as a leave-in conditioner on your hair after shampooing. You can also soak black tea leaves for 2 hours in warm water, and grind it to a smooth paste. Mix with some lemon juice and apply it as a hair mask for 40 minutes before rinsing the hair. 6. The herbal mix. This herbal brew is excellent to slow down the graying process and you can easily make it at home. Take 1 teaspoon amla powder, 2 teaspoons black tea, 1 teaspoon strong coffee, 1/2 an inch piece of katha, 1 piece of walnut bark, 1 teaspoon indigo, 1 teaspoon brahmi powder, and 1 teaspoon triphala. Add all the ingredients to 2 liters of water, and simmer on a slow flame for 30 minutes. Let it cool, then strain into an airtight bottle. Apply on the roots for 30 minutes before shampooing, and you will see a marked difference in the color of your hair. Now that you have these wonderful natural recipes, take them seriously and enjoy using them. Share your opinion in the comment below. If you're new on the channel, then do subscribe the channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, be sure to subscribe our channel, because more incredible content on the way. Thank you for watching Health and Fitness.